If you're experiencing connection errors in Overwatch 2, particularly error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if the servers are down or undergoing maintenance. If the servers are offline, you will need to wait until they are back up. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and then restart it. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues that may be causing the error. Step 3. Restart your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router from power for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Once they are fully restarted, reconnect to your internet and try launching the game again. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Overwatch 2. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network driver is up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Keeping your drivers current can help improve connectivity. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.